Hello my dear students, how are you? Are you good? Okay, today I'm going to be talking about skills time. Today I'm going to be talking about skills time. Okay, now I want to ask you a question. How many skills do we have in order to learn a new language? إما چند skill من هيا كبكاري هينين بو فيربوني زماني نويم. Excellent. We have 4 skills. We have 4 skills. Okay. The first one is reading. The first skill is reading. إما 4 skill من هيا بكاري هينين لكاتي فيربوني زماني كينويدا يكم skill من خوانويا. And the second skill is listening. The second skill is listening. دوهم skill من گوگرتنا. The third skill is speaking. سهم skill من قصة كردنا. The fourth one and the last one is writing. The fourth one and the last one is writing. وكوتا skill إشمان نوسينا. Okay. Today I'm gonna focus on these skills. Let's get started. Dear kids, now open your books, page number 12. Open your books, page number 12. Okay. Now look at these pictures. Look at these pictures. What do you see in these pictures? Chi abini lemwenanea. Who can tell me? Excellent. First of all, I see a boy. I see a boy. Okay. What else? Amazing. I see a classroom. I see a classroom. What else? What do you see? Excellent. I see some students. I see some students. Excellent, dears. What else? Very good. I see some posters and pictures. I see some posters and pictures. Okay, what else do you see? Excellent. I see a table and chairs. I see a table and 2 chairs. What else? Very good. I see a swimming pool. I see a swimming pool. Okay, dears, now look at this handsome boy. His name is Peter. He want to talk about his school. Now let's listen to him together. Dear kids, are you ready? Okay, let's listen to him.
14. Listen and read.
My name's Peter. I go to Orange Park School. Look at these pictures of my school. Our classroom is upstairs. It's very big and bright. I'm in class 3C. There are 12 girls and 14 boys in my class. Our teacher is Mrs. Cooper. There are lots of pictures and posters on the wall. We sit at tables. I sit with my friend Henry. There is a swimming pool too. I love my school.
Okay. Guys, now I'm gonna read it, then I'll translate it. Okay? The first one. My name is Peter. I go to Orange Park School. Look at these pictures of my school. Okay? The second one. Our classroom is upstairs. It is very big and bright. The third one. I am in class 3C. There are 12 girls and 14 boys in my class. Our teacher is Mrs. Cooper. Okay, the fourth one. There are lots of pictures and posters on the wall. Number 5. We sit at tables. I sit with my friend Henry. The last one. There's a swimming pool too. I love my school. Okay, dears, now I'm gonna translate it. This handsome boy is speaking and he is talking about his school. Okay. My name is Peter. من نام بيترا. I go to Orange Park School. أتشم بو قطابخانة Orange Park. چون قطابخانەکەی ئێوە ناوی مارگرێتە، قطابخانەکەی پیتەریش ناوی چییە؟ Orange Park. Okay? I go to Orange Park School. واتە ئەچم بۆ قطابخانەی Orange Park. Look at these pictures of my school. سەیری ئەم ڕەسمانەی قوتابخانەکەم بکەن. Okay, the second one. Our classroom is upstairs. پۆلەکەمان لە قاتی سەرەوەیە. It's very big and bright. زۆر گەورەیە و ڕووناکیشە. Okay, زۆر گەورەیە و زۆر ڕووناکیشە. The third one. I am in class 3C. من لپولی سيسم. There are 12 girls and 14 boys in my class. لپولا كم دا 12 كچو 14 كوريتيايا. Okay. Our teacher is Mrs. Cooper. مامۆستاکەم ناوی چییە؟ Mrs. Cooper. Okay. The fourth one. There are lots of pictures and posters on the wall. کۆمەڵێ ڕەسمی زۆر و پۆستەری زۆر لەسەر دیوارەکان هەیە. The fifth one. We sit at tables. I sit with my friend Henry. ئێمە لە مێزەکان دانیشین مەبەستی ئەوەیە لەگەڵ هاوڕێکەیە لەسەر مێزێک دانیشن. ئەڵێ من لەگەڵ هاوڕێکمان دانیشم ناوی هێنریە. من لەگەڵ هاوڕێکمان دانیشم لەسەر هەمان مێز ناوی هێنریە. Okay. The sixth one and the last one. There's a swimming pool too. I love my school. هەر لە قوتابخانەکەیە چی تریشی لێیە؟ مەلەوانگەیەکیشی لێیە. ئەڵێت من قوتابخانەکەم خۆشەوێت. Okay, dears, now I'm gonna read it again and you have to repeat after me. Okay? Okay. My name is Peter. I go to Orange Park School. Look at these pictures of my school. Okay, the second one. Our classroom is upstairs. It's very big and bright. Well done. The third one. I am in class 3C. There are 12 girls and 14 boys in my class. Our teacher is Mrs. Cooper. Well done. The fourth one. There are lots of pictures and posters on the wall. Amazing. The fifth one. We sit at tables. I sit with my friend Henry. Okay, the last one. There's a swimming pool. There's a swimming pool too. I love my school. Now you can read Peter's school 3 times, okay? You can read Peter's school 3 times. Okay, dears, now let's go to this exercise. Okay. Dear kids, look at here. Read again. Circle the correct word. ئەڵێ دووبارە بیخوێنەرەوە و وشە ڕاستەکە بکەرە بازنەوە. Okay, the first one. Where is Peter's classroom? Where is Peter's classroom? Okay, where's Peter's classroom? Is it upstairs or downstairs? Excellent, upstairs. بقولك بيتر لكو بو. Upstairs قاتي سرو or downstairs ياخد قاتي خوارو. Upstairs. Okay, the first one was done, so let's go to the second one. Okay, what class is Peter in? What class is Peter in? 3C or Orange Park? Which one is correct? Excellent, 3C, so circle 3C. Okay, the third one. How many boys are there in his class? How many boys are there in his class? He said 12 girls and 14 boys. So we have to circle 14. We have to circle 14. Okay, the fourth one. What is his teacher's name? What is his teacher's name? Henry or Mrs. Cooper? Who can tell me? Excellent, Mrs. Cooper. So circle Mrs. Cooper. Henry was his friend. Henry was his friend. Henry هاوراكيبو. Okay, the fifth one. What is on the wall of the classroom? What's on the wall of the classroom? Okay, tables or pictures? Which one is correct? Can we say there are lots of tables on the wall? No, it doesn't make sense. So we have to say there are lots of pictures on the wall. إما توانين بلين تيبلێکی زۆر مێزێکی زۆر بەسەر دیوارەکانەوە هەبوو؟ No. We have to say there are lots of pictures on the wall. Picturێکی زۆر بە دیوارەکانەوە بوو. So circle pictures. Circle pictures. Okay. Now let's go to the last one. Is there a swimming pool? Is there a swimming pool? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. There's a swimming pool. So we have to circle yes, there is. We have to circle yes, there is. Okay, dears, are you done? Okay. Dear kids, now I'm going to be talking about the second skill, listening. Okay? Look at this picture. We have a beautiful girl. Okay, she's talking about herself, her teacher, her friends, and her classroom. I mean the windows, the board, and the door. Okay, we have to write the numbers from 1 to 6 according to her speech. Okay, we have to write the numbers from 1 to 6 in these squares according to her speech. گوڵەکانم ئێستش باسی دووهەم سکیڵەکەین لیسنین. سەیرێکم ڕسمە بکەن ئەم کچە جوانەمان باسی مامۆستاکەی و هاوڕێکانی و پەنجەرەکان و بۆردەکە و دەرگاکە ئاکات. باشە ئێمەش پێویستە لە ژمارەیەکەوە تا ژمارە 6 لەم چوارگۆشانەیە بنووسین بەپێی قسەی کچەکە. Okay, now let's listen to her.
15. Listen and number.
Hello, my name is Sally. I go to Parkside School.
1.
Can you see me? I've got long hair. It's blonde.
2.
Our teacher is Mrs. Smith. She's got curly hair.
3.
My friend is Will. He's got short black hair. a big whiteboard in our classroom.
5,
There are 2 windows in the classroom.
6,
There is 1 door. On the door is a poster. It says, "Welcome to Primary 2."
Okay, dears, now we are going to listen to it again and we will write the numbers. Okay.
15. Listen and number.
Hello, my name is Sally. I go to Parkside School.
1,
Can you see me? I've got long hair. It's blonde.
2,
Our teacher is Mrs. Smith. She's got curly hair.
3,
My friend is Will. He's got short black hair.
4,
We've got a big whiteboard in our classroom.
5,
There are 2 windows in the classroom.
6,
There is 1 door. On the door is a poster. It says, "Welcome to Primary 2."
Okay, now you can write the numbers down. Okay.
Dear students, look at here. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about speaking skill. I mean the 3rd skill. Okay, look at this picture again. Okay, we have some words in this box. For example, boys, girls, teachers, windows, doors. You have to use these words to ask questions. You have to use these words to ask questions. For example, how many girls are there? How many girls are there? Okay, there are 2 girls. There are 2 girls. Okay, another question. How many boys are there? How many boys are there? There are 2 boys. Okay, another one. For example, windows. How many windows are there? How many windows are there? There are 2 windows. Now you can ask your brother or your sister these questions and they have to answer you. Okay, dears? Okay. ام exercise زمان کۆمەڵێک گوشەمان هەیە لەم بۆکسەیە هەر باسی وێنەکەی پێشوەکات پێویستە تۆ پرسیار بکەیت و ئەتوانین پرسیار لە خوشکەکەت یاخود براکەت بکەیت و ئەویش وەڵامت باتەوە. بۆ نمونە how many girls are there چەند کچ لێرە هەیە. We can say there are 2 girls. Dear kids, look at here. Now I'm gonna be talking about the last skill. Now I'm gonna be talking about the last skill, which is writing. Okay, writing preparation. Let me read it. Underline the capital letters at the start of the sentences. هەڵبێنە بەژێر پیتە کەپیتەڵەکانی سەرەتای هەڕستەیەەکە. Circle the capital letters at the start of the names. و پیتە کەپیتەڵەکانی سەرەتای هەر ناوێکیش بکەرە بازنەوە. Okay. Now look at these 2 sentences. The first one, we've got a new CD player. We've got a new CD player. The first letter of we should be capital because it's the start of the sentence. Okay? یەکەم پیتی وی پێویستە کەپیتال بێت لەبەرەوەی دەستپێکی ڕستەیە یاخود سەرەتای ڕستەیە. The first letter of each sentence should be capital. The first letter of each sentence should be capital. یەکەم پیتی هەر ڕستەیەک پێویستە کەپیتال بێت. Okay, let's go to the second sentence. Our teacher is Mrs. Cooper.
The first letter of our should be capital because it's the start of a sentence. یەکەم پیتی our پێویستە کەپیتال بێت لەبەرەوەی سەرەتای ڕستەیە. Mrs. Cooper. Okay, look at Cooper. Cooper is the name of a person. Cooper لێرەیە ناوی کەسێکە. So the first letter of Cooper should be capital. یەکەم پیتی پێویستە کەپیتال بێت. So we have to circle it. Okay. Look at here, Mrs. Now I'm gonna tell you something. Guys, look at here. Mrs. and Miss. Here we have Mrs. and Miss. لێرەیە چیمان هەیە؟ Mrs. and Miss. We use Mrs. and Miss before a woman's name. Mrs. و Miss بەکارێنین لە پێش ناوی ژنێکە یان کچێکدا. Okay. Mrs. یان Miss واتە خاتون. The first letter of Mrs. and Miss should be capital too. یەکەم پیتی Mrs. و Missیش پێویستە کاپیتال بێت. Okay? ئێمە حسابی ناویان بۆ بکەین لە هەر شوێنێک بینیتن پێویستە کاپیتال بێت یەکەم پیتیان. And we have also Mr. Mr. means کاک یاخود بەڕێز. Mr. واتە کاک یان بەڕێز. We use Mr. before a man's name. Mr. بەکارێنین لە پێش ناوی پیاوێکە یان لە پێش ناوی کوڕێکە. Okay. The first letter of Mr. should be capital. یەکەم پیتی مستریش پێویستە کاپیتال بێت. Okay dear, so here the letter M is capital. We have to circle the letter M. Okay? Now let's do this exercise together. My name is Peter. The first letter of my is capital because it is the start of a sentence. Okay? And Peter. Peter is the name of a person, so we have to circle letter P. It is also capital. Letter P لێرەیە کەپیتاڵە لەبەرەوەی ناوی کەسێکە کەواتە ئێمە پێویستە بیکەینە باسنەوە. Look at the second one. This is my school. The letter T of this is capital because it's the start of a sentence. And okay. Let's go to the third one. Thank you, Miss Jones. Thank you, Miss Jones. The first letter is capital, the first letter of thank you, because it is the start of a sentence. So we have to underline it. Miss Cooper. Okay, the first letter of Miss is capital, so we have to circle it. And the first letter of Jones is capital, so we have to circle it. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one. This is Rosie's pencil case. The first letter of this is capital, so underline it because it's the start of a sentence. The first letter of Rosie is capital because it is the name of a person. Let's go to the fifth one. Those are your pegs. The first letter of those is capital, so underline it. Okay, the last one. This is Tim. The first letter of this is capital. Underline it. It's at the start of a sentence. Tim. Tim is the name of a person, so we have to circle letter T. It is also capital. Okay, dears. Now you can write it down. Dear kids, look at here. You have to do all the exercises on page 12 and 13 of the workbook. Okay, dears? If you have any question, you can ask. Bye bye. See you.